In today's video, I'm going to talk to you about whether or not you need a office address in order to register your LLC. So you're probably watching this video because you've been searching online about what type of business address to use. Maybe you've been getting different information about needing an office address or needing a specific business address. Well, in today's video, I'm going to clarify all of that for you. Hi, my name is Andrew. I'm an attorney here at Mulai Law, where we help entrepreneurs just like you start your businesses without dealing with the complicated legal forms. Our done-for-you service is backed by over 2,310 five-star Google reviews, and we can help you start your business too. I want to be able to talk about a question that I've been receiving from a majority of entrepreneurs starting their LLCs or corporations. The question that I've been getting is, do I need an office address, a physical office address, in order to register my US company? When registering an LLC or a corporation, each business entity, such as an LLC or corporation, is required to have two different addresses. One is going to be the business address, and the second one is going to be the registered agent address. Now, it's important to be mindful that the business address as well as the registered agent address must be different. In other words, you cannot use the same address for your business address as well as your registered agent address. This brings me to the topic of today's video. Do I need an actual office in order to register my LLC or corporation? And am I required to have that office address in order to satisfy the business address requirement? In deciding whether or not you need an office address for your LLC or corporation, the question that you have to ask yourself is, what type of business am I operating? Now, allow me to expand on what I mean by what type of business am I operating. Now, allow me to provide you with an example. If you're in the business of e-commerce, which means you have your own website and you're selling online, or you have a Shopify, then it is likely that you do not need an actual office address in order to meet the requirement of having a business address for your LLC or corporation. In other words, you may not need an office address to register your LLC or corporation for your online business. However, if you are conducting a specific type of service, such as being a lawyer, being a registered nurse, being a marriage and family therapist, or a psychologist, etc., then you may want to consider registering an office address in order to market your business using that office address. In determining whether or not you need an office address for your business, the main question, as I mentioned earlier, the main question you have to ask yourself is, what type of business am I operating? Am I operating a business that requires an office address? Am I operating a business that requires some sort of single location where customers will be able to search that address and see my business? To emphasize the answer to the question, do I need an office address for my business, for my LLC or corporation? You have to ask yourself, what type of business am I operating? If you'd like to learn more about whether or not you need an office address for your business ventures, make sure you click the link in the description box below to book your free call with a professional who will be able to evaluate your business plan as well as structure, and who will be able to provide you with the guidance as well as the clarity that you're looking for, and who will be able to help you determine whether or not you are required to register an office address for your LLC or corporation. If you happen to learn something new, make sure you hit the like, subscribe, and bell notification so you don't miss out on any future videos. It's time to invest in yourself. It's time to rise. If you would like to learn more about business addresses, registered agent addresses, LLCs, corporations, DBAs, make sure you watch one of these videos here. I'll see you in the next video.